Hello people, I decided to publish video tutorial, but not about 3ds Max. But if you want to get rid of these things, like if you see multiple tabs, but I'm using Gimp and I need image reference. Today I will talk to you how to grab a really crop image. This option allow growing. Second, go outside borders. I will zoom out. After that you can export image. Don't worry if you see transparent background, because this is actually normal when you see it in GIMP. I didn't do research what to do to get rid of grid background, but if you save to JPG, you should be able to get rid of this. Okay, I don't need WebP format. I don't like how GIMP saves this, but when I use the old version of GIMP, it crashed when I tried to save to different format. Wait a minute. I'm supposed to save it here. Oh no. I must make sure that I save this where I was supposed to save. Because sometimes when you try to save, you may not see. This is what we need. Large white background for our image reference. I don't like this. You can also, if you don't like, to use magnetic lasso. Oh no, I haven't used the proper image reference. And oh no, I don't want this image reference. I will have to choose a different image reference. Oh, that's fine. You can still do the same when you choose crop tool, allow growing. I would like to use magnetic lasso. I don't know if this is scissor select. Gimp is very similar to Photoshop. Feather edges. Like, it's not as good as I thought. Oh no. What about if I deselect anti-aliasing? Oh no, it's not really accurate. I think I will deselect. Someone made video how to create mask. Mask would be better option. What is this? Oh no, I didn't know about that. I knew nothing about this. Oh, I like this tool, but not everything is working as I wanted. My dog is moaning. What threshold is like how far it goes. But at least it has white backgrounds inside. Oh no, select invert. Now I can get rid of this. Oh no, why this is still visible? I don't need that. Oh no. Scissors select. What is interactive boundary? Aha! Oh, okay. This is like in Photoshop. Similar feature Photoshop has. I think this tool would work better if I had used high resolution image. I'm not happy that I'm using low res image, but I will try to. I would rather to use mask instead. I don't need to do that perfect, but I will show you as quick as possible. I'm not happy because of this, but I only need to use as image reference. Wait a minute, why this is not... Okay, that's fine. Edit cut. Select invert, edit cut. Maybe it is not perfect, but it is still working. Maybe in next video I will use mask. Okay, I could actually darken this. Now after that I will save, not save, you have to use option export. They are planning to release Gimp the latest, because I got Gimp 2. No, 2.99 point, I think 12? No, I think 14. 2.99 point 14, something like that, because this is standard version of Gimp. And we have got higher background to a lot of space. I would rather to use mask instead, but I still have to learn how to use mask maybe in near future. And now I'm getting rid of ugly image, replacing with new one. Oh, I am very happy with the results. I don't want to use low res image. I don't want to scale and to see something else. Now I can use this to model from a tab. inside 3ds Max. I hope you like my video tutorial, but I prefer to use mask because mask is more accurate mask and it will give better results. But I cannot complain, I'm still happy.